Yeah, so BBC has finally released that documentary showing who killed the Gen Zs during the last year June 25th protest. And I'm happy to have been some of the voices that were telling the stories. So kudos to BBC, and it's so sad to find out that the Kenyan army, those who were put in charge of protecting Kenyans, were involved in killing protesters, peaceful demonstrators. That's so sad. And now the world is finally seeing what happened, and we are getting to know the real side of the real story. Thank you, and everyone that was in that video for telling us what happened. So Hanifa and Boniface Mwangi, I'm really grateful. And we need to watch on what we are doing as a country, man. Kenyans, thank you for showing love, and currently I'm grateful for whatever is happening. The reception is crazy, and honestly I did not expect that. And to those showing loves, thank you, and for those when you cabbage also, I'm grateful. But to make long story short, I'm grateful. I'm a Kenyan, and I'll do it again if need be. So I don't know where the story will end, but I'm really praying that I'll be safe by the way. Okay, thank you. Now, while I'm cabbage, continue. This is Kenya, we have to survive either way. So come on, cabbage, just do so. I love you guys. I'm concerned about my safety, just to confirm again. Thank you guys, I'm safe, and I'm really safe. I don't know, but I think I'm safe. If I'm not, I will inform you. Kama sita post by Kesho or any other day, then I will inform you. But those asking for my number, it's on the bio. Mimi sitaki kusema. So kama unataka kutuma za cabbage, my number's on the bio. Please don't call me. But okay, watch the documentary and act on it. Good morning, Kenyans. Mlisema ni post every 30 minutes. Okay, I'm just here to update you that Tuesday morning I'm safe and sound, and I'm still bado najificha kiasi. So guys, it's okay, but mnaendelea kufanya ile kitu. So if you are sending me the cabbage thank you. Nikitoka huko hata nikwe. Okay, thank you guys, but I just wanted to say that I'm safe. Thank you guys.
No. Mnamchukua kwa nini? Anakuja mwenzake mwenye mambo alafu mnamchukua. Are you serious? Yes, I'm a journalist. And I'm a Kenyan.
A lot of people are concerned about the number that nimeka kwa bio. First of all, that number is off. Ukipiga ni ngumu kudipata. Maybe kama natumia za cabbage nitaona okay. Nimeka hapo because some people wanataka kunitumia those appreciations and everything. And also I'm a Kenyan, I'm worried. After this thing imekufa, because Kenyans huwa tunasahau na inaisha at the end of the day. After this thing imeisha, what will I be doing? So I don't know, maybe nitafungua biashara after that, or maybe nitanunua camera, I start continue with whatever I was doing. Or maybe if you guys are good enough, you can follow my YouTube channel. By the way, it's at Ademba Alliance or Kenyan Filtered. Just search Kenyan Filtered, but the link is on my bio. If you can follow my YouTube channel, where I usually do news, because I'm also worried after Ikiti Meisha, when you may hype EV and everything, what next again? But yeah, just to be honest, that number kunipata nao ni ngumu. Yoni hata dhani kama nimeifungua kitambo niweke hapo, sijaangalia, but kunipata nao is a bit hard. Thank you guys.
Nzuri kuna nini? Ingia kwa mfuko wake.
Each and everybody cannot own land. Yeah, the land is going to belong to the government. You people have not let this. You have let this. Yes, you're going to take your title deed, take it to the government, and then you're given a list document. You start paying rent for your whole land and your own home. If people don't understand this specific point, that point alone is supposed.
Can you expound on it, surely?
Yes. From now on.
ina symbol nini? Hiyo ina symbol nini?
Wanataka kupandisha pads surely. Unajua pads ni how much moja? A pad ni 120 bob. Na mimi kama heavy floor, I'm using 2. Meaning hiyo ni kitu. Hiyo ni tu. Meaning hiyo ni 240 bob. Wakipandisha bei sitaweza kuafford, si yuko kazi. Like last month sikuweza kuafford pad juu sifanyi kazi. Juu sahii watu wenye wako huku wamepewa makazi ni mababu zetu, hawataki kutoka.
Chukua.
Ya kulipuka.
Wezi. Amekata kufunguka. Rokota rudi. Bana hizi. Haiwezi kufunguka. Ndio pili umetoka.
Yeah, ulikuwa unasema aje?
Like I was saying, unapata watu wenye wako kwa gava. Like me, I'm 27 years. Sahii sikwai ati kukwani nateseka hivi. But unapata kwa gava kuna mtu wa 60 years anafanya kazi. So unaona hizo ni vitu vinachangia umaskini. Mtu kama mimi dem, kitu kama pad inanishinda kwa. Sahii walikuwa nasema ukiwa 25 years and above, kama hauna kazi unakatwa 300. Meaning the rate of crime itaenda juu. Some of us tutajipata tunafanya prostitution ama tunanyonga watu. So like mimi
You are watching Wasource TV.